Well, the hot weather just around the corner, and it's going to be record-setting.
Record-setting, I think, on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Those are probably going to be the 3 hottest days. In fact, this heat wave has the potential of going on into next week as well, guys. But it looks like Saturday, Sunday, Monday will be the hottest. Here's a place that I have a feeling is going to be extremely popular this week, and this is Cascade Kelly's Whitewater Park. And what we're seeing there is blue skies, sunshine, a nice, cool spring runoff that continues to affect much of the rivers that we have here in the streams across much of the state of Idaho. Actually, it's not spring anymore. It's now technically summer, but that is just a beautiful scenario. Again, I have a feeling this is what people are going to be going to once we start feeling the searing heat that's going to be developing by the end of the week going into the weekend. 91 degrees has been the high temperature so far today. There's the average for this time of the year, 84 degrees. And the record for this date is 103 degrees set back in 1988. So the temperatures outside right now are still on their way up. I anticipated a high today of about 91 to 92 degrees. Tomorrow the temperatures are probably going to be approaching the mid-90s. It's 91 right now. Boise, Nampa is at 90. Same goes for Caldwell. Mountain Home is already at 92 degrees, and McCall is at 81 degrees. Look at the crystal clear skies we have across the entire state. You know, typically this time of the year, we would at least see some kind of what we call development of the clouds, or maybe a few isolated showers over some of the mountainous areas. But there's so much sinking air in the atmosphere. That's the influence of high pressure. It suppresses any clouds from trying to form, and it is crystal clear all across the Treasure down into the Magic Valley and actually out into the central mountains of Idaho as well. These are just some high thin cirrus clouds that will be affecting the northern half of the state over the next 24 hours. But there you can see the high pressure that's developing right over southern Utah and Arizona. And as this thing amplifies and intensifies over the next few days, it's going to act like a driving force or a pump in the atmosphere, and the clockwise circulation of air around that high pressure is going to be driving that extremely hot, dry desert air that's typically isolated to Nevada and Arizona this time of the year, northward right into the Gem State. And it all really begins tomorrow. Let's take a look at the regional forecast and notice the high temperatures tomorrow are going to be warmer than it was today. Twin Falls at about 93 degrees, Sun Valley at 82, Stanley at 79. The mountains will still be a decent refuge from the heat over the next 24 to 48 hours, but even the mountains will start to get hot as we draw closer to the weekend. And then off to the southwest we go. There you can see Payette at 94 tomorrow, Emmett at 92. And in the Treasure Valley, temperatures are going to be approaching the mid-90s. Kuna at 94, Nampa at 93. And it looks like Boise will see a high of about 94 degrees. Now, if it gets much hotter than this, I may have to bump these temperatures up for tomorrow. But right now, I'm going to go with a high of 94 in the Treasure Valley tomorrow, up to 97 degrees on Thursday. Here comes the center of that high pressure, and here comes that oven effect. On Friday, on Saturday, and Sunday, getting up to 108 degrees. Monday, 106. Tuesday at 104 degrees. Nothing but sunshine expected here in the valleys. And in the mountains, we're going to be seeing temperature readings by Friday approaching 90 degrees Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Highs will be in the mid-90s. Yes, you can grab your script and start fanning yourself.
Wow, I mean,
in anticipation.
Just looking at that, I got a sudden heat wave here.
That's why we call it record high temperatures expected.
Okay, Roland. Thanks.